The dramatic military coup that ousted the late President Robert Mugabe in November 2017 was triggered by none other than his former top spy and justice minister, retired Lieutenant General Hepiton Bonyongwe, according to the ruling party ZANU-PF. Zanapenda mashuko blanyo questions ayo Bonyongwe ndiye trigger the 2017 coup against Mnangagwa and was subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivina mnomu blanyo kwa mchinzi party spokesperson Christopher Mnangagwa has sensationally claimed that Bonyongwe's actions and political maneuvers were the final straw that led the military to intervene and force Mugabe out of power after nearly 4 decades of the helm. Mnangagwa also accused Mugabe of abandoning the ideals of the liberation struggle, branding him a dynastic pretender who had ceased to serve the revolution and was instead trying to hand over power to his wife, Grace Mugabe. The events of November 2017 marked a turning point in Zimbabwe's post-independence history. Long simmering tensions between rival factions within the ruling party and particularly between the military and the so-called G40 faction aligned with Grace Mugabe exploded into the open. At the center of the storm was Mugabe's succession for years. Speculations swelled over who would take over after the aging leader, Vice President Emmerson Mnangagwa, Liberation War stalwart, with strong ties to the military, was long seen as the natural successor, but Grace Mugabe's rapid political rise, backed by a younger faction of technocrats and party allies, threatened to upend that trajectory. While ZANU-PF portrays the coup as a necessary correction to safeguard the legacy of the liberation struggle, critics see it as a thinly veiled power grab that simply replaced one faction of allies with another. The role of Bonyongwe, along a shadowy figure in Zimbabwe's security state, has remained murky until now. Mnangagwa's remarks suggest that internal battles among security chiefs and Bonyongwe's alleged overreach may have catalyzed the events that brought an end to Mugabe's long rule. Thomas Kwangula talk panapa na Mnangagwa achikuza kuti aiwa panguva inoi kunyangwa kunze Bonyongwe ndiye munhu akatrigger the 2017 military coup. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section yedu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.